Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about scalar product and vector product. The first preparer is Samsensi Numeric 10 DTK21F 2024. The second preparer is Wirantaran Nanaralaki Wirantan Numeric 10 DTK21F 2012. The third preparer is Tunggu Zen bin Tunggu Asmi Numeric 10 DTK21F 2006. The fourth preparer is Zahim bin Zainal Numeric 10 DTK21F 1070. The last preparer is Tenggu Izu Kyuyon bin Tenggu Haslim, numeric 10 DEP 21F 1006. Okay, now let's get started.
Scalar product and vector products are two ways of multiplying two different vectors which see the most application in physics and astronomy. The scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors and the cosine of the angles between them. Scalar products can be found by taking the component of the one vector in the direction of the other vector and multiplying it with the magnitude of the other vector. It can be defined as scalar product or dot product is an algebraic operation that takes two equal length sequence of number iterations as single number. Formula scalar product is AB equal to AB cos. Vector is quantity possessing both magnitude and direction, represented by an arrow the direction of which indicates the direction of the quantity and the length of which is proportional to the magnitude. The magnitude vector product of two given vectors can be found by taking the product of the magnitudes of the vectors time the sign of the angle between them. It can be defined as vector product or cross product is a binary operation on two vectors in three-dimensional space. Formula vector product is metric determinant like shown in photo.
Hi, my name is Vinod son of Valaitan, number matrix 10 DTK21 F 2012. Here I'm going to discuss about the application of vector and scalar product based on real life. And the first application of vector or scalar is velocity. For example, airplane, car, motorcycle, and also by walking. And second one is projectile. For example, playing by baseball, playing basketball, and also playing badminton. And third one is in gaming, for example, the game of Angry Bird. And now I'm here to discuss about the situation 1, that is from scalar product. Here we go. The first one is Zahim is playing badminton. He is located at point A and jump to hitting point B. Once he wants to hit the shuttlecock for it to land at point C. Given the vector is A equals to 3i plus 5j and B equals to 7i plus 3j. So now question is determine the angle between vector A and vector A and B. And so for this situation the solution is given by Zahim and here we go.
My name is Samsensi Numeric 10 DTK21F 2024. So I will solve the question 1 and given the solution. We can draw the triangle with photo. So A equal -3 plus 5j and B equal 7i plus 5j. So the formula angle is cos -1 and then A times B division determinants A times determinants B. So we can find the A times B. I'm using algebra method. So we can write number A is -3 plus 5j and then times B 7i plus 3j. I times I, so -3 times 7 plus 5 times 3, 21 plus 15, the answer is -6. Determinants A equal square root I power 2 plus j power 2. The answer is 5.83. B equal square root 7 power 2 plus 3 power 2. The answer is 7.62. So the formula angle is cos -1 A times B equal -6 division 5.83 determinants A times determinants B 7.62. We can get the answer is -6 division 44.42. So using the calculator, we can get the answer is -0.135, and then cos -0.135. So the answer is 97.76 degree. Thank you.
Okay, for the last question, an aeroplane is making a flight from point A, which is JHP, to point B, PEN, and point A, JHP, to point C, KUL. The velocity v is AB times AC. So given the vector, which is AB equals to 7i plus 5k and AC equals to 2i plus 2j plus k, using vector product, find the velocity in vector v.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Zahin bin Zainul. Nombor matrik saya 10 DTK 21F1070. Hari ini saya nak ajar cara korang untuk membuat tajuk vektor. Hai, sekarang saya nak ajar korang situasi pertama, tajuk vektor produk. Okey, di mana soalan yang telah diberi, point A dari Johor, point B dari Penang dan point C dari Kuala Lumpur. Sekarang ni dia nak suruh kita cari velocity. Velocity dia yang mana? Velocity dia yang ni kan. Okey, ni velocity yang tegak ni kan. Okey, cara nak cari velocity dia adalah dengan cara AB cross AC. Cari dalam bentuk, lebih mudah dalam bentuk matrix lah. Okey, ini I, ini J dan ini K. Lepas tu korang salin lah balik. 7 I 3 J K kosong. AC pula 2 I 3 J K ada 1 1. Okey, lepas tu korang tahu kan, kita kena cari I dulu. Lepas tu kita kena cari J. Lepas tu kita kena cari K. Formula dia adalah tambah tolak tambah. Tambah tolak tambah. Ini tambah, ini jadi tolak, dan ini jadi tambah. Okay, first korang kena cari I. I ni korang tahu buat macam mana? I tutup sini, kita ambil ni 3 3 0 1 ni. Okay, salin balik 3 3 0 1. Okay, lepas tu cari J pula. J macam tadi, tutup sini. Okay, 7 2 0 1 kan, salin balik 7 2 0 1. Lepas tu K pula macam sama tadi, tutup sini 7 3 2 3 7 3 2 3. Okay, tu kita tutup. Okay, lepas tu dah boleh start cross lah. Ini darab sini, ini darab sini, ni pun sama. Ni darab sini, ni darab sini. Ni pun ni darab sini, darab sini. Okay, kita buat I dulu. 3 darab 1, jawapan dia 3. 3 darab 0, jawapan dia 0. Sorry ya, bukan darab ni tolak. Lepas tu kita buat J pula. 7 darab 1, 7. 2 darab 0, 0. Tolak. Lepas tu K pula. 7 darab 3, 21. 2 darab 3, 6. Ni untuk K. Lepas tu korang isi jawapan dia balik. 3 tolak 0 jadi 3I. 7 tolak 0 jadi 7J. Ni korang jangan lupa negatif. Sebab apa negatif? Sebab formula dia tambah, tolak, tambah. K pula 2 tolak 6 jadi 15. K. Tu korang sambung lah jawapan dia balik. 3I negatif 7J tambah 15K. Ini jawapan terakhir. Dah dapat dah velocity dia. The velocity, sorry tak nampak The velocity is AB darab cross AC sama dengan 3I negatif 7J tambah 5K. Siap. Sekian, terima kasih.
So in conclusion, we have learned that scalar products and vector products can be used to multiply two different vectors. Scalar product is a scalar function of two vectors equal to the product of their magnitudes and the cosine of the angle between them, whereas vector is quantity possessing both magnitude and direction, represented by an arrow, the direction of which indicates the direction of the quantity, and the length of which the proportional to the magnitude.